Hello friends! Welcome to the Minimalist Mama. I'm Emily and today I've got two projects to show you guys. So first of all, we're going to be doing some painting in our downstairs bathroom, and then I'm going to be doing some decluttering and reorganizing in our upstairs bathroom. So if you are looking for some bathroom decor and organizing inspiration, just keep watching and let me know what you think. Alright, so this is the before of our downstairs bathroom. When we moved into this house, we put in this bathroom. You can watch our full playlist of our renovations we did. And I chickened out on painting the whole thing this gorgeous navy blue, just because I was afraid it would make it seem too dark and small. But now I am ready to bite the bullet and just do it, because white walls in the bathroom are not great. It just doesn't look good. So I am finally just gonna go for it and paint it all the same shade. It's Hail Navy by Benjamin Moore. It is my favorite navy blue shade. It's so dark blue, it's almost black, and it just looks so good with gold accents. So we are just gonna do it and see how it goes. So you may have noticed I was kind of lazy and I didn't take down the toilet paper roll or the towel bar or the light fixtures, but just kind of taped around them. And I also made the mistake of letting Edison start painting on the wall before I taped off the trim, the baseboards. So that's a mess that we had to clean up. It took a few coats of white paint to cover up the navy blue stain here. Even after scrubbing it, it did not all come off. So we had to paint that baseboard, but it's all good now. I'm going to go get the ladder.
Okay.
I can reach up high enough to do the cutting in the first coat. So I got my capris and boots and coat. I'm going to go brave this snowstorm.
Here she goes.
Got it. Okay, back up. Careful.
And that's our mom. What the else is doing?
Thanks. By far the hardest part of painting this bathroom was maneuvering the ladder in it, because it's very small and you had to maneuver it around the toilet and the sink. That was definitely the biggest challenge, and climbing up there, trying not to get paint on the ceiling, which then led me to decide, why don't I just go ahead and paint the ceiling too? The white just kind of makes the room stop, like the walls just stop when they get up there, and I think actually painting the ceiling dark would make the room look bigger, and that is actually exactly what happened. And it was a big risk. I feel like I was pretty nervous about painting the ceiling navy blue, but I'm really glad I did. It definitely paid off. We did 2 coats just to get nice even coverage, and I also ended up painting that vent fan that you can see in the background on the wall there, that white circle, and that really helped it just blend into the wall better. I love how my dark moody bathroom turned out, even though the lighting is a little weird and hard to film in here, but I really love it, especially the new faucet that Brian installed that I still need to touch up the paint behind, but it's now a gold faucet and it's so elegant, and I just really love how it all came together. On to our second project, decluttering and organizing our upstairs bathroom. This is our only full bathroom in the house, and you might remember, or if you go back a few videos, you'll see our initial makeover, and then I decluttered and reorganized it at that time. But my system just really wasn't working for me anymore, so it was time to reevaluate. Step one was to take everything out and clean the cabinets, and then to sort it all into groups, and then upgrade my containers. I got these at TJ Maxx and I really love them. Okay, so Winnie the Pooh is almost over downstairs. So let me show you how I've got things sorted now. So in these two big ones that will go under the bathroom sink, I have our toiletries backstock, deodorant, dog stuff, face washes, hairstyling products, all that kind of stuff, my travel bag, some bath bombs, and shaving stuff. And I would really like to, and I plan to, get some little smaller containers for some of the little stuff, so it can be just contained a little bit better and maybe even stackable. And then I also want to get some for these so I can stack those in there too. Then in here we have the clippers, that for haircuts, whatever that's called, cape for haircuts, combs, toothbrushes, and other tooth stuff like my retainer, cleaner, etc. And then same thing in here. I'd like to get some little stackable containers so I can keep these contained, or even like some round things so I can have all the toothbrushes standing up and all the combs standing up. So have yet to figure that out. And then here I have all my period products. If I got a menstrual cup, then I wouldn't even need that. So something to think about. And then in here, all my nail care stuff fits so perfectly. Made me very happy. And then I threw away one bottle of nail polish that was gross and old. And then in here, we have all of our first aid stuff, the first aid kit, and then all of these bandages that we've somehow collected. And then in this big one is medicine, backstock of medicine. And I'm going to look through what I have in the medicine cabinet there in the bathroom and see if I can put some of that stuff in here too to free up some space in there. So that is how it's looking. These two things are too tall, so I'm going to have to figure out something else to do with those. All the empty containers. Okay, so today I've got a quick project going on. I am going to decant these containers into these plastic, they're plastic, not glass, amber bottles that have pumps on them. And then I'm going to make labels for them. Now, they did come with labels, which Bennett drew on, and a chalkboard marker, which is really nice. But I don't really love the shape of these labels, so I'm going to make my own with my old-fashioned little label maker. So I'm very excited about this. It's just going to really elevate the look of it. Instead of all these mismatched colors and labels, it's just going to look a lot more high-end. Decanting your soap, body wash, lotions, that kind of stuff, it's definitely an extra step and not something you need to have a really nicely organized bathroom, but it's going to really elevate the look and feel, and I'm looking forward to cutting down on all the visual clutter. Alright, so let me show you the current state of our bathroom. This is my shelf. I have my daily use things out here on the lid or tray, and then my other stuff in the container. And I've got everything else kind of labeled. Towels and washcloths. And then here is under the sink. And I'll give you a little peek at how I've organized inside these again. I hope you enjoyed this little bathroom reorganizing video and the painting project from the downstairs bathroom. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and be sure to check out my previous video on decluttering the bathroom. I think you'll get some really good tips from that one too. So, thanks so much for watching.